going on, community? Quick Tip Helper back again with another video. And as you can see in the markets today, or the last couple of days, it's been absolutely turmoil. There's been a lot of bears getting their wish and making a lot of money. But what does that mean for AVAX and Grape Finance? But first of all, if you haven't subscribed and you're new to the channel, please do so, because we're going to grow this up as much as possible. And I wonder who's going to be the lucky one to get up to 280. Please like and subscribe, like I say. For any future videos that come out, you will get a hold of them. But first of all, let's just go into the Bitcoin price first. So like when you already round about, I think it was the 3rd or the 4th, had the Fed drama where obviously they raised the base points to 50 points, and the market looked pretty positive. It only went up 50 base points and the outlook looked positive. But then if you look, reality sets in and goes, oof, what's going on here? And as we dropped, it didn't just drop, it tanked basically. And then everybody started panicking, and the whole industry just absolutely started selling. And where we are now, down at 30k, like you talked about a 10k drop, which is crazy. So but we had a lot of buy orders at 30,000, and it had a nice bounce, but then we've come back again. So I don't know if this is going to hold up well, to be honest. And I know that's slightly higher high, but the markets at the moment are in turmoil, and me personally, my honest opinion is I think we could go down even further. I hope I'm wrong, but anything can happen with these markets at the moment. So this is where we are at the moment, and it is pretty scary if you're investing recently and your portfolio's down 50%. It's part of the parcel of the game. But if you look at the market cap now, so we were up at 3 trillion at some this was November, and then since then it's deteriorated, and we're coming down even further now. I think the crypto market at the moment is about 14, so 1.4 trillion, and with all this FUD going on at the moment, it's absolutely crazy out there. So what are your thoughts on the market? Do you think it's going to get positive, or do you think we've got some more downside? So if you could drop that in the comments what your thoughts are, I'd really appreciate that. So let's go into Grape Finance. Some positive news for a change. So Grape Finance, since I've been in it, it's been, like I said in my earlier videos, it's been fantastic. But this is the new next NFT airdrop, so that's why I wanted to do an update. Sorry. So these are the stats for the grapes and wine at the moment. So I'm just going to estimate my rewards. So if you look, if you've got one node, grape or wine, it gives you a ticket, and the list goes on about the goon bag gives 1 ticket, and the glass gives 3 tickets, etc. So your NFTs, and there's the reward pool. So you've got 17,626 total grape nodes, which values at 23,343, and there's a total for wine nodes. So it's pretty exciting, to be honest, because like I say, they keep innovating and bringing up new stuff, and it just keeps people interested in sticking to grape. And if you look at the price at grape, it's been holding its peg for a while now. So, and the total value locked up is still 7.4 million. That was up at 8, but the market's getting scary. People are bailing out, but everybody's been here still. The community's been fantastic. And if you look at wine price now at 243 and the grape at 110, if we hold these, I'm more than happy. So if we look up the nodes, so when I started, I bought my node, if you remember, on the last video, and I've earned 1.8, so that's $2. You're looking around about $1 a day. So for that node cost, after you've got your initial investment out, the rest is return on investment. So it's pretty cool. And I was going to ask you for your thoughts, guys, because so there's me rewards so far. I was going to claim these anyways, but I was going to swap for Luna in Trader Joe because the price of Luna's dropped dramatically. Now if you don't take any risks in life, you don't get rewards. So what are your thoughts? Do you think I should swap this for Luna, or do you think I should reinvest it into Grape Finance? So basically put it into the vineyard and stake it on here. So what's your options? So guys, that's just a sort of quick video on what's going on, but we'll just look at the chart. So as you can see, well, every time we've reached this mark, we've had a nice bounce. So my honest opinion is I think we're going to come down again and hit it. So The question is it going to have a nice enough bounce to get us back up there to continue above peg in earning? And I really hope it does, because it's been running so fine. But I think there's more downside from Bitcoin, so I think it could bring the AVAX price down and people might get more scared, and this could go below peg. But I'm still positive for the future with Grape Finance. And just looking at the wine chart on the daily, this has been sort of consolidating around these prices now since about 9th of April, so it's just been steady away, and we'll just see how it goes. But like I say, the market's all bleeding at the moment. There's a lot of scarcity, there's a lot of fear, and everybody's selling. But then when people are afraid, that's where opportunities rise. So this is where you want to be sort of looking at your options and looking at opportunities, because this is where you can make a lot of wealth. So just again, guys, for your opinion, what do you think I should do with my rewards? Should I swap it for Luna, or should I put it into the Grape? Should I put it into the Grape and earn on this and build it up? And just have a quick look on the LP token, see how they're getting on. So that's 0.1 there. I'll just let this build up to a certain amount before I reinvest it, and I'll just have a look on my other LPs. This is at 1.8, so pretty slow, but we'll just keep building. And that's what the plan is, to build up this winery as much as possible to earn Grape, and then redistribute them back into the Grape lot, and just take some profits off the top. So my rewards estimated daily is $13, and I'm more than happy with that at the moment, because my total investment was $1,000, so I've well been on my way with that. So like I say, guys, this is just a quick update about the NFTs that are coming. If you haven't got your Grape node, you can always get in and jump on. It's pretty simple to do that. I show that in my other videos. Or if you want to get the wine, you can do the wine node, simple as that, and you can get your NFT airdrop. So I'm looking forward to this, and we'll see how we get on with the tickets, and good luck to everybody who participates. So guys, if you like the video, could you please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, tell your friends about Grape Finance, anybody that might want to jump in, especially during these times. But most of all, take it easy, and I shall see you all in the next video.